Are you struggling to find quality data for your AI models? We understand the challenge of gathering relevant training data. That's why we're here to introduce you to a game-changing solution. Imagine transforming any website into high-quality training data in minutes. With our service, simply point, click, and extract text from any web page with ease. You can connect web data seamlessly to ChatGPT, Anthropic, and more thanks to our effortless Zapier integration. You will benefit from built-in bot detection and geolocation selector, ensuring your data collection is accurate and reliable. Extract up to 500,000 websites easily and customize your data pipeline. Train your AI by showing your robot what to scrape with a simple click. Our powerful AI-driven tools guarantee you don't just get raw data, but highly structured information essential for training effective AI models. This structured approach drastically reduces errors for more accurate, contextually relevant outputs. Join countless organizations that have maximized their AI assistant's capabilities by creating specialized knowledge bases. So why choose us? With over 7,000 integrations and real-time monitoring, your systems stay continuously updated and informed. Don't let your AI lag behind. Visit our website now to start transforming your web data into powerful insights today.